Top 5 Best 2000 Watt Power Inverter. Number 5. THOR Manufacturing 2000 Watt. The THOR Manufacturing 2000 Watt Inverter is a versatile and dependable choice for those in need of a 2000 watt power solution. It is designed to provide clean and stable power for a variety of devices and appliances, making it suitable for both recreational and professional use. This inverter produces a modified sine wave output that is compatible with most electronic devices and appliances. It features a sturdy aluminum case with integrated cooling fans to maintain optimal operating temperatures. Safety is a top priority with the THOR Manufacturing Inverter, as it includes a range of protective features such as overload protection, overvoltage protection, and thermal shutdown. These safeguards ensure the longevity of the inverter and the safety of your equipment. With 3 AC outlets and a dual USB port, this inverter offers multiple connectivity options. Users also appreciate the digital display that provides real-time information on input voltage, output wattage, and the status of the inverter. In summary, the THOR Manufacturing 2000 Watt Inverter is a versatile and reliable choice for those seeking a modified sine wave inverter with a focus on safety and performance. Coming in number 4. AIMS Power 2000 Watt Inverter. The AIMS Power 2000 Watt Inverter is a high-capacity inverter designed for heavy-duty applications. It's built to provide reliable and continuous power for large appliances and tools, making it a great choice for contractors, RV enthusiasts, and off-grid living. This inverter offers a modified sine wave output, which is suitable for a wide range of devices and appliances. Its robust construction features an anodized aluminum case that not only enhances durability but also dissipates heat efficiently. A built-in cooling fan further aids in preventing overheating during extended use. The AIMS Power Inverter includes a comprehensive set of safety features, including overload protection, overtemperature protection, and short-circuit protection. These safeguards ensure the safety of your equipment and the inverter itself. With 3 AC outlets, the AIMS Power Inverter provides ample connectivity for your devices and appliances. Users also appreciate the included wired remote control, which allows for convenient on-off operation from a distance. Overall, the AIMS Power 2000 Watt Inverter is a robust and high-capacity option for those requiring reliable power for heavy-duty applications. Coming in number 3. GoWISE Power 2000 Watt. The GoWISE Power 2000 Watts inverter is a reliable and efficient choice for powering your devices and appliances when you're on the move. It's designed with convenience and safety in mind, making it a popular option among users. This inverter provides modified sine wave output, which is suitable for most electronic devices and appliances, including laptops, televisions, and kitchen appliances. It features a durable aluminum alloy housing with a built-in cooling fan to prevent overheating, ensuring longevity and reliable performance. Safety is a top priority with the GoWISE Power Inverter, as it includes multiple protection features such as overload protection, overvoltage protection, undervoltage protection, and thermal shutdown. These safeguards ensure that your devices and the inverter itself remain safe during operation. The inverter comes equipped with 3 AC outlets and a dual USB port for easy connectivity. Users also appreciate the digital display that shows input voltage, output wattage, and the status of the inverter, providing essential information at a glance. In summary, the GoWISE Power 2000 Watt Inverter is a dependable choice for those seeking a modified sine wave inverter with a focus on safety and convenience. Coming in number 2. Potek 2000 Watt Power Inverter. The Potek 2000 Watt Power Inverter is a versatile and high-performance option designed to meet a wide range of power needs. Whether you're camping, on a road trip, or dealing with a power outage, this inverter has you covered. One of the standout features of the Potek inverter is its pure sine wave output, which provides clean and stable power, making it suitable for sensitive electronics like laptops, game consoles, and medical devices. This ensures that your devices are protected from voltage fluctuations and surges. The inverter also boasts a robust construction with an aluminum alloy housing that dissipates heat efficiently, allowing for prolonged use without overheating. It features multiple safety mechanisms, including overload protection, overvoltage protection, and low-voltage alarm and shutdown, which enhance the safety of both your devices and the inverter. With 3 AC outlets and a dual USB port, the Potek inverter offers ample connectivity options. Users also appreciate the remote control feature that allows you to turn the inverter on and off from a distance, adding to its convenience. Overall, the Potek 2000-watt power inverter stands out for its clean power output and safety features, making it a solid choice for various applications. Coming in number 1. Ampeak 2000-watt power inverter. The Ampeak 2000-watt power inverter is a reliable and versatile choice for those in need of a 2000-watt power inverter. With its compact design, it can be easily installed in your vehicle, boat, or RV, making it a great choice for powering various electronic devices on the go. One of the standout features of the Ampeak inverter is its robust construction. It is built to last with an all-metal housing that provides excellent durability and protection against wear and tear. The inverter also includes a cooling fan that prevents overheating during extended use, ensuring a longer lifespan. In terms of power output, the Ampeak 2000-watt inverter delivers consistent and clean power, making it suitable for sensitive electronics such as laptops, smartphones, and medical equipment. It also features multiple safety features, including overload protection, overvoltage protection, and short-circuit protection, which safeguard both your devices and the inverter itself. Users appreciate the convenience of the 3 AC outlets and dual USB ports, providing ample connectivity options for various devices. The digital display provides real-time information on input voltage, output wattage, and the status of the inverter. Overall, the Ampeak 2000-watt power inverter is a reliable and robust choice for those seeking a 2000-watt inverter with a focus on durability and safety.